Hello, trust that you're doing well. Welcome to Miss Fountain channel, your go-to destination for insightful and engaging educational content. Here, we explore a wide range of topics from science and history to technology and beyond. Prepare to expand your knowledge and spark your curiosity with the carefully crafted videos. Subscribe now and join us on our journey of discovery. In this session, we're going to look at transient evidence, and this is going to be a brief session. Transient evidence is evidence by which or evidence which by its very nature or conditions at the scene will lose its evidentiary value if not preserved and protected. So it's affected by the nature of that evidence or by the conditions at the scene or at the scene. Therefore, in other words, you can say these are elements of physical evidence that might be expected to degrade or disappear within a particular time frame. This type of evidence is temporary, can be easily lost or changed. Also, it's usually observed by the first respondent and must be recorded at that time. So that the three major characteristics of this type of evidence. We're going to look at the examples of transient evidence, and by the nature of that evidence or the evidence in question, we have odors. These are smells. Maybe there was an explosive somewhere and there was a certain smell, or maybe there was putrefaction that's taking place. Yeah. And the second example is temperature. It could be the temperature of water in a bathtub. You see, the temperature is going to be decreasing until it gets to the room temperature. Therefore, it's important to record this temperature as soon as possible. Another example of temperature is that of a car hood, which depending on the case is going to show that maybe the car was in motion for some time. Another example is the temperature of a cadaver. After death, the temperature of the body drops until it gets to the room temperature, and the temperature of the cadaver can be used to estimate the time of death. Therefore, it's also important, and that's why temperature in this case is a transient evidence. We also have imprints. Examples of these, we have fingerprints in dust. We also have teeth marks in perishable food. Maybe footprints in snow, etc. Another one is color. I find that depending on the materials present, some materials react with others, and the final result is the color change. So it's important to note the color. And by nature of the evidence, we have example, or not nature of the evidence, but the conditions at the scene. We have examples like blood in the rain. Blood itself is not a transient evidence, but being in the rain or being in the open, where maybe it might rain and the blood is going to get washed off, therefore losing the evidentiary value that was there. That is how blood in rain becomes a transient evidence. And this type of evidence has the value of this evidence. These are just like how important this evidence is. It can prove that a crime has been committed. It can also be used to reconstruct a crime. Also, linking a suspect to a victim or even to another crime scene, as well as identifying maybe suspects. Yeah. Because some of these evidences, like now the blood in the rain, is an individual. characteristic. And that is basically what we had to look at today. We've come to the end of our session. Thank you for joining us. Hope you've gained valuable insights and knowledge from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, learning never stops. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.